Welcome. I am excited to bring you a trend that's all over for summer. And it's the little pink jacket. It's either the pink jacket or the orange jacket. And they're being worn with all kinds of different things. I want to show you a couple pictures first. But this is really just an idea video to get you going and thinking, I want a new, fresh, fun jacket for spring. This is the one to get. So let's look at a couple pictures. And don't be political just because you don't like them or like them. You know, if they're dressed well, they're dressed well, period. And the good news is about all these ladies, and these pictures are being shown to you, is they all have dressers. And so you have to understand that somebody's out there just scouring what's current and what's fresh, and they're suggesting them to wear something. And so I think that's really important, because if we just kind of notice what's going on, we can have a wardrobe that looks like somebody dressed us. So that's the goal, especially when we're sewing. So the little pink jacket, what I did is I started with fabric $54.99. It's a beautiful, just a beautiful fabric. Nili Latan is the designer, I believe, on this one. And then also 5520, which is the rayon. This one that I have on has more body. This one has a little more drape. But I just loved making this. So this pattern, I use 922. It's new for spring. Just came out for spring. And it's just unlined. It's easy. It's just perfect for no shoulder pads, just a casual jacket. So it just has a front, a back, two-piece sleeve, and then a front facing. It has a pocket, but I left off the pocket, you know me. I figured there was no real advantage in me making the pocket since it was my jacket, so I left it off. And again, I just love it. Pair it with white, pair it with denim, pair it with cream. There's so many things to pair it with. It just looks great. If you look at these pictures now, you can see that there's a lot of jackets out there. I looked up orange, tangerine, mango, papaya. They call them lots of different colors, but the same thing. It's just pink or orange, and they're pricey. So look at these couple prices. You can see that they're $2,000 and $3,000. You know, well made is $2,000 or $3,000. They're not inexpensive. My little clasp is that little fishhook clasp that we have on the site, but I think it's fun, especially for summer when the jacket is a little more casual, just to put a little different clasp on there. I think it just really makes it a little more fun. And the other tip I wanted to give you too is because on 922, the sleeve is a blouse sleeve. So what that means is it's a two-piece sleeve, and it's fairly slim. I have plenty of mobility because I know how much extra circumference to get at the sleeve, but it's still a small sleeve. So I'm going to recommend a sleeve board. We have them. They're new up on our site. They're great. I mean, they're great because it was so much easier when I pressed one seam, the other seam got wrinkled when I pressed that seam. And typically I'm not a gadget kind of person, but this is really a nice little thing to have if it's within your budget, and we made it very affordable. So think about a sleeve board. Obviously it's made to where you can just slide it on. It's got padding so it doesn't crease, and it really made a nice sleeve for me in this particular jacket. All right, so just a fun spring little jacket, pink, tangerine, whatever color you prefer. The pattern is 922. The fabric is $54.99 or $55.20. And it won't take but a couple hours. It's just really fun and simple, and you can throw it on with so many things. I love that one Heidi Klum look with the jeans. I thought that was great. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.